In this video, I'll be diving into a review of the ABS Cyclone Ruby pre-built desktop gaming PC. If you're interested in exploring this gaming PC further or want to grab it at a fantastic price, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Are you ready to elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level? Today, we're diving deep into the ABS Cyclone Ruby gaming PC, a powerhouse built for gamers who demand the best. If you've been searching for a gaming PC that combines cutting-edge performance with incredible value, this might just be the one for you. First, let's talk about what's under the hood. This gaming beast is powered by the Ryzen 7 7700X CPU with a base clock speed of 4.5 GHz and a max boost of up to 5.4 GHz. What does that mean for you? Lightning fast processing speeds that handle even the most demanding games without breaking a sweat. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6,000 MHz, this machine is designed to multitask like a champ, allowing you to game, stream, and browse all at the same time without any lag. Now let's talk graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super with DLSS 3.5 technology ensures AI-powered performance that's nothing short of spectacular. Whether you're battling through the latest AAA titles or diving into the most graphically intense VR worlds, the RTX 4070 Super delivers smooth, high-quality visuals that will blow your mind. And with 16 GB of dedicated video RAM, this card can handle anything you throw at it. But the ABS Cyclone Ruby isn't just about raw power. It's also built for speed and efficiency. The 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and rapid game loading, giving you more time to play and less time waiting. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you get the latest and greatest features from Microsoft, optimized for gaming and performance. One of the standout features is the sleek and compact design. Housed in the ABS Cyclone MATX gaming case in Obsidian Black, it's not just a high-performance machine, but also a stylish addition to any gaming setup. The UX200 ARGB Tower air cooler keeps your system running cool and quiet, even during those marathon gaming sessions. And with the B650MC Wi-Fi motherboard, you're ready to connect with blazing fast internet speeds, ensuring a seamless online gaming experience. However, no product is without its drawbacks. One thing to keep in mind is the weight. At 40 pounds, this PC isn't the easiest to move around, especially if you frequently attend LAN parties or gaming events. But if you're setting this up in a dedicated gaming space, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. In summary, the ABS Cyclone Ruby gaming PC offers an exceptional balance of performance, speed, and value. It's perfect for gamers looking to upgrade their setup with a machine that can handle the latest games at the highest settings. So if you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, check out the links below in the description to get this powerhouse at a great price. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your gaming experience. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.